What if I told you that I can literally create 100 professional t-shirt designs in just 10 minutes? And I'm not talking about basic, boring designs. I mean stunning, unique t-shirt graphics that people actually want to buy. Sounds totally crazy, right? Creating t-shirt designs sounds amazing for my print-on-demand business, but it takes forever. Trust me, I totally get it. You've probably spent hours trying to create just one design only to realize you need dozens or even hundreds of designs to have a successful print-on-demand store. And the thought of creating that many designs one by one feels absolutely overwhelming. Like, how are you supposed to compete with sellers who have thousands of designs when it takes you all day just to make one? But here's what changed everything for me. I discovered Kittl Flows, and it's literally the most game-changing feature for print-on-demand creators. This isn't just about making designs faster. It's about creating variations and collections that would normally take weeks to complete. I'm talking about going from one base design to 100 unique variations in minutes. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step process for using Kittl Flows to create massive collections of t-shirt designs super quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to multiply your design output by literally 100 times. And honestly, you're going to be obsessed with how this completely transforms your print-on-demand business. Let's jump right into step 1. Okay, you guys, the first step is getting your Kittl account ready and understanding what Flows actually does, because this feature is about to blow your mind. Here's exactly how to get started. Go to kittl.com and create your account. You can use the link in my description and my code for special 25% discount. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start with a new project by clicking Create New Design. Choose T-shirt as your format. This sets the perfect dimensions, and then click on Create. Take a moment to explore the interface and get comfortable. Understanding Flows is like learning to use a design multiplication machine. Now let's create a base design that's perfect for generating tons of variations using Kittl Flows. I learned that the key to getting amazing variations is starting with a design that has multiple elements that can be changed. For example, I created a motivational quote design with a main text, decorative elements, and a background shape. This gave Flows lots of elements to work with when creating variations. Follow these steps to create the perfect base design with AI. Start with a simple but effective concept. Go to the section of AI, and from here, choose the section of Tools, and then in Design Generator. From there, we just need to add our prompt, so I'm going to create a t-shirt with motivational quotes from women. Also, make sure to click in the section of t-shirt. In the For section, we add our prompt, motivational quotes from women. We can choose our colors and the style. Once is all set, you can click in Create. Check the options you got and choose your favorite. You can keep making more changes, but this is going to be our main shirt. A well-designed base gives you endless variation possibilities. Here's where things get super exciting. Let's use Kittl Flows to turn your one design into dozens of unique variations. This is honestly my favorite part. I took my motivational quote design and used Flows to create variations with different fonts, color schemes, and layouts. In just 5 minutes, I had 25 completely different designs that all look professionally made, but totally unique from each other. Here's how to multiply your designs. With your base design selected, open the Flows panel. Choose what elements you want to vary. Typography, so you get different font combinations, colors for various color schemes, graphics for alternative decorative elements. Pick your style preferences, modern, vintage, bold, etc. Set your variation parameters. Select Generate Variations. Choose how many variations you want by adding it with the lines. Start with 10, 20. Let Kittl work its magic. Click Generate and watch the variations appear. Each variation maintains your core message but looks unique. Review the generated options. Select your favorites. Choose the variations that work best for your niche. You can generate more if you want different options. Fine-tune individual designs if needed. This process literally multiplies your design output instantly. Now let's use Flows to create themed collections that customers love to buy together. I discovered that customers love buying designs that go together. So I used Flows to create a coffee lover collection with 100 different coffee themed designs, all with consistent styling but unique messages. Here's how to build theme collections. Choose a profitable niche theme. Coffee lovers is a coffee related humor. Create your first design in that theme. Use Flows to generate variations. Keep the theme consistent. Vary the specific messages or quotes. Maintain similar color schemes for cohesion. Generate 25 to 50 designs per collection. This gives customers plenty of options. Creates a substantial collection for your store. Organize your designs. Save each collection in its own folder. Name them clearly for easy management. Plan multiple collections. Create 4.5 different themed collections. This gives you 100 plus designs total. Themed collections increase your average order value. Now, I know some of you might be feeling overwhelmed thinking about creating 100 designs, and that's totally normal. When I first started with print on demand, I thought I needed to be super artistic or spend months learning complicated design software. But here's the truth. Kittl Flows makes this process so simple that anyone can do it, regardless of their design experience. The beautiful thing about Kittl Flows is that it removes all the technical barriers from design creation. You don't need to understand complex design principles or spend years learning software. If you can type a message and click a button, you can create professional t-shirt designs that people want to buy. What makes this approach so accessible is that Kittl has simplified the entire design multiplication process into simple, clickable steps. There's no steep learning curve, no complicated software to master, and no design degree required. You literally create one design and let Flows do the multiplication work for you. Think about the impact of having 100 plus professional designs in your print on demand store. You're not just competing anymore. You're dominating your niche. More designs mean more chances for sales, more opportunities to rank in search results, and more ways to attract different types of customers. This could literally transform your print-on-demand business from a side hustle into a serious income stream. Now, let me put this in perspective for you. Hiring a professional designer to create 100 t-shirt designs would typically cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. And that's if you could even find someone willing to take on such a large project. Most designers charge $20.50 per design, so you're looking at thousands of dollars. With Kittl, you get access to Flows and all their design tools for less than what you'd pay for just 2.3 custom designs. Plus, you can create unlimited variations whenever you want. I know some of you may be thinking, won't all the variations look too similar? I totally understand this concern. But here's the amazing thing about Flows. It doesn't just change colors, it actually creates genuinely different designs. The AI varies fonts, layouts, graphics, and styling in ways that make each variation feel unique. What you can do after watching this video is go to Kittl and start your account using the link in my description. Don't wait on this because every day you delay is another day your competitors are getting ahead with more designs in their stores. Remember, every successful print-on-demand seller started with their first design, but the ones who really succeed are the ones who scale quickly and efficiently. With Kittl Flows, you have the power to build a massive design portfolio in days, not months. Your ideas deserve to be seen by thousands of potential customers, and Flows gives you the tools to make that happen. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more print-on-demand tutorials, and drop a comment letting me know what niche you're most excited to create designs for. I read every single comment and love seeing your success stories. Keep creating, keep scaling, and remember, you're absolutely capable of building the successful print-on-demand business of your dreams.